this video, I shall discuss one of the literary devices used in poetry, which is theme. After watching this video, I hope that you will be able to define theme and differentiate the subject from the theme. Let us define theme. It is what the poem all about. It is the message or lesson about life or statement about human nature that the writer conveys. And there can be more than one theme for a single poem. This refers to the main idea or central idea in a piece of writing or other work of art that the poet is trying to communicate. It is all about universal concept that can be applied to all. How to identify the poem's theme? You have to ask yourselves two questions. First, what was the poem about? Second, what was the message or lesson of the poem? Now, let's answer the first question. What was the poem about? It is one way of asking the main idea. Is what the piece mostly about? It is the subject or topic that can be used to identify the theme of a poem. This topic or subject is communicated in one word, such as love, friendship, family, courage, poverty, arrogance, death, aging, and a lot of more. Then, let's proceed to the second question. What was the message or lesson of the poem? The message of the poem is what we call theme. Theme is the central topic or idea expressed in a poem. It is abstract idea, opinion, or observation about the subjects that can be applied to everybody. It is generally not stated explicitly in the poem, but instead expressed through the character's actions, words, and thoughts. It can be applied to me, to you, and all of us. That makes the theme. To find the theme, it is very essential to have background knowledge of the poet that will lead you to point out the theme of the poem, since it was based on their experiences. Let's have the following examples. The subjects are revenge, love, and friendship. As you can see, they are communicated in one word. How can you make your theme based on the subject? For example, the subject is revenge. What do you think will be the theme? We all know that the character comes across certain circumstances that make him aware of his revenge. The outcome of his action is often bitter because he hurt someone and others, but sometimes may end up satisfying. Based on this scenario, we can say that the lesson learned there is revenge destroys everything and everyone, including the person seeking. Next is love as the subject. What do you think will be the theme? Since love is so mysterious and magical, some people suffered from this. One of the best examples is Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. Despite the conflict or rivalry between their families, didn't hinder them to fight for their love. Now, what do you think will be the theme? So we have love conquers all. Next is friendship is an example of a subject. So what do you think will be the theme? Each one of us treasures our friends and we do everything we can for the sake of our friends. So the theme is friends help each other when they are in need. So theme gives the readers a better understanding of the main character's conflict, experiences, discoveries, and emotions as they derived from them. Through theme, a writer tries to give his readers an insight into how the world works or how he/she views human life. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that I share some information that might answer some of your queries regarding theme. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell for new updates. See you!